Hi guys, welcome to TechMaster. In this quick tutorial, I will show how you can read deleted WhatsApp messages without installing an extra application. So this feature is available in your phone, already built-in feature in WhatsApp application. You have to open WhatsApp. You have to click on three dot and click on settings. Then you have to click on notifications. Here, if your phone Android version is 11 or above, then it will be shown here notification history. But in my phone it is lower version, but it has no feature showing this. So I can use Google Assistant for this. So I have to open Google Assistant. Hi Google, show my notifications.
Opening notification.
It will automatically open in your phone setting and open notification history. Here notification history is shown. You have to tap on this option. You have to turn on this feature. If this feature is turned on, which notification you will be receive automatically, the chat will be saved in this notification history features. This feature is amazing. In this way you can find out the deleted messages or chats of your WhatsApp. Okay, that is it. Now you can read deleted WhatsApp messages easily. Like, share and subscribe for more amazing tricks. Thanks for watching.